These are the iClarified instructions on how to make a bootable USB install key for macOS Monterey. Let's begin. Connect the USB stick that's at least 16 GB in size to your computer, then launch the Mac App Store from your dock. Navigate to the macOS Monterey application page and click the Get button. If you're brought to a software update window, click Download or Upgrade Now to begin downloading Monterey. Once the installer launches, select Quit from the macOS Install Monterey menu to exit. Launch Finder from your dock, then open the Applications folder and select the Install macOS Monterey app. Press Command-I on the keyboard and verify that it's over 10 GB in size. If it's not, please see the text version of this tutorial for further instructions. Once you've verified that you have the full installer, launch Terminal from your dock or from the Utilities folder under Applications. Execute the shown command in the terminal window, replacing Untitled with the name of your USB key. Please note, this will erase the entire flash drive. Enter your administrative account password, then type Y and press Enter to begin. If you're asked to allow terminal access to your removable volume, click OK. After about 30 minutes, the creation of your USB key will be complete. To install macOS Monterey from the USB key, restart your Mac and hold down the Option key after hearing the boot sound. You'll be presented with a list of bootable drives. Select the USB install key to begin. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple news, videos, and tutorials.